My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Tomorrow is when it actually does matter. We got Yeezy 500s. Oh my god, I got one on Kodai. And another one. Got one on Kylan. Well, as you can see, that drop went very, very well for me. Anyways, we gotta do this all over again tomorrow. Tomorrow we have some Yeezy 700s dropping, and let's see how many we get on the next episode. Alright, we got Yeezy 700s dropping in a few minutes. Honestly, I'm not expecting to get any of these just because of how limited they are. I have very, very low expectations for this. I'm gonna be trying my best. Hopefully, we get at least one. Let's go. Got one on processing. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, what the yeah. I'm through the queue on my capture solver. Oh, me too. What the is happening? Yo, go manual, go manual. What is happening? Oh. Oh, finally. I just hit on the Soul Harvester. This is so stupid, bro. Processing one. Out of stock. Oh my god. Alright, so a bunch of the Yeezy 500s came in the mail today. Let me see how these look. Pretty standard, nothing really special about this 500 in particular. It's just that nice clean colorway that a lot of people like. We got 9 more of these coming in. By the way, I never said my cancel rate in the last episode. Out of all of those checkouts, out of 29 checkouts, we only got 1 cancel, so that's pretty good. So we should get 28 shoes in hand. And the Yeezy 700 also came in the mail today. This shoe looks really unique. The best way for me to describe the color in person is that it kind of looks like a cotton candy. Maybe it's the material of the shoe that gives it its unique look, but I do like it a lot. Oh my god, I totally forgot there was a dunk drop today. I had 3 minutes to set up. Let's see what this gets me. have a lot of drops today. I went for the Amamaniers a little bit earlier, and essentially I was really quick, but I got stuck in the queue. Not really much I can do about that except for take that L. However, I heard that the drop was a really good experience for the vast majority of people. Unfortunately for me, I got a bit unlucky there. Also, we got Dunks dropping and Sakai's dropping all at the same time. Gonna go ahead and finalize my setup. Let's see how many of these we can get. Yes, got one. Ooh, got another one. Got 3, dude. Yes. Checking order. Oh my god, I just got another one. How many of these are actually gonna get canceled though? I'm not really sure. No dunks today, but that's okay. The drop that matters is in 10 minutes. We have Supreme box logos dropping. I really hope that this is the time when it clicks for me and I get a bunch, but that's probably not gonna happen. But I just gotta pray and hope that everything goes well. Oh shit, here we go. Out of stock? No way. Oh, click and hold the circle to continue. What is this? Why isn't it working? Are you serious? Oh, here, check out. What? Why is shop grayed out? Shop is grayed out, dude. Sold out? Like, it's literally not doing anything for me. Come on. Bro, why does he keep redirecting me to the... Come on, check out. Check out. Processing. Go through, dude. I need something. I need something. Just go through. Just go through. The drops today went okay. Ended up with 4 Sakais. Unfortunately though, I didn't get any box logos. As you guys saw, I got declined or something on NSB. So yeah, that's about it. I'm pretty sure they're going to be restocking sometime in the next few days, but they will also be dropping on the Emilio Pucci store anytime between 3 to 6 a.m. On top of that, there's also going to be a lot more sneakers releasing on that same day. So the past few days isn't like one release a day, it's literally like 2 or 3 sneakers releasing on the same day, back to back to back, and it's just really tiring. So hopefully we can get our hands on some of these box logos. We're gonna see on the next episode.